Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo website in Python. It's like a good for beginner as well and for learning purpose. So friends, after it, I will come with big Python project like dashboard and front end section, like WordPress, admin dashboard and front end. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So you can see here the Python demo site, the home page, about and the contact page with form. Let me show you email, the which posts at the rate gmail.com. You can contact me via this. Great. Thanks, Ajay. You have received your message. Great. Back to home. Friends, I must say one thing. If you will have any kind of queries, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my virtual blog, therichpost.com. In this page, the contact page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. And guys, also full-time freelancer, you can hire me for your work. And also on my blog, you will get many free things like admin dashboard, e-commerce templates, and a lot of code. And all are free of cost. See. WooCommerce, WordPress, PHP, Laravel, React, Next.js, Vue.js, and Angular, so on. You will get all the things. And back to dashboard. So friends, now I will show you the few part of code. And don't worry, I will share the course in a proper link inside this video description very soon as well. So here is the code. See, here is my the project structure. The default app.py file. See friends, and in the templates I have added the pages about, base, contact and home page and static in the css. See the base, see all are importing that. See just brilliant. And guys, please share your views on it. And back to the site. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, then feel free to ask. You can tell me your queries via this video as well. Like I will come with whatever dashboards, front end, e-commerce site, and so on with their Python. Friends, in the end, I must say two things. Please subscribe and support me. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.